Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Fort Wayne, where we talk all things outdoor living. I'm with Tough Deck Builders Fort Wayne, and today we're answering a question we hear all the time. Is it better to repair your old deck, or is it time to replace it completely? Let's start underneath the surface, because that's where the real answer usually sits. The structure of the deck is made up of posts, beams, joists, and the ledger board that connects it to your home. If these pieces are solid, repairs to boards and railings might make sense. But if we see rot at the base of posts, cracked or sagging beams, or a ledger that's pulling away from the house, those are serious structural problems. A new coat of stain will not fix that. Movement is another clue. If the deck feels bouncy, if railings wobble even after you tighten the screws, or if stairs shift when you step on them, the structure may be undersized or damaged. Sometimes older decks were built to standards that no longer meet today's codes. In those cases, trying to band-aid the structure can cost a lot without giving you the safety you really need. Now let's look at the surface and hardware. Rotting deck boards, soft spots, and splintering are signs that the top layer is worn out. Rusted fasteners, brackets pulling away, and loose railings also point to age and wear. Swapping a few boards and tightening a few bolts might buy you time. But if problems keep coming back in different spots, that's telling you the deck is at the end of its useful life. Replacement can feel like a big step, but it comes with real benefits. A full rebuild lets you correct a layout that never worked right, add safer stairs, and bring railings up to current standards. It also gives you the chance to switch from older wood to low-maintenance materials. Many homeowners choose composite decking from brands like Trex when they rebuild, which means no more staining and far less surface maintenance over the next decade. A new structure, built to current codes, also sets you up for the future. If you ever want to add a pergola, a roof cover, or even an outdoor kitchen, you'll have a solid base designed to handle that load. You're not trying to bolt new weight onto an old, tired frame. If you're looking at your deck and you're not sure which way to go, you don't have to decide alone. At Tough Deck Builders Fort Wayne, we inspect existing decks, explain what we see in plain language, and walk you through the repair versus replace options. You can reach our team at 260-254-7979 or visit toughdeckbuildersfortwayne.com to schedule a look at your deck. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Fort Wayne. A deck should feel solid under your feet and safe for your family. When it stops feeling that way, it's time to take a closer look and make a plan you can trust. We'll talk again soon.